Bluey and Bingo twirled into the living room, paws lifted high, pretending the rug was a shining stage. Bluey shouted, "Tonight, we dance!" Bingo clapped, "It's the ballet show of the century!" Music filled their heads, paws tapping, tails wagging. Could excitement feel this big? Bluey spun in circles, arms wide, whispering, "I'm a ballerina." She leapt high, landing with a wobble. Bingo cheered, "Encore! Encore!" Suddenly Muffin dashed in wearing a blanket cape, yelling, "I'm the queen! Dance for me!" Socks barked, joining the fun, "I'll be the orchestra." Could imagination burst this loud? Bluey bowed dramatically, "Your Majesty, I present the ballet of bravery." Bingo struck a pose, paws in the air. They twirled together, leaping, giggling, sometimes tumbling to the floor. Muffin waved her cape, shouting, "More twirls!" Socks pounded pots for music, boom boom clang. Could chaos sound this grand? Bluey spun faster, skirt of blankets flaring. "Watch this," she cried, hopping into a pirouette. But, wham! She toppled straight into the couch cushions. Everyone gasped, then roared with laughter. Bingo squealed, "That was the funniest dance ever." Muffin cheered, "Encore, ballerina!" Could joy explode this fast? They built a stage from chairs, draping sheets for curtains. Bluey whispered, "This is it, our big performance." Bingo nodded, and the crowd is huge. The audience? Teddy bears, dolls, and a sleepy chattermax in the corner. Could pretend feel this real? Bluey and Bingo danced together, arms curved, paws gliding, giggles mixing with graceful moves. Muffin clapped wildly, socks banged the pots in rhythm, clang clang clang. Suddenly, Bluey leapt high, twirled perfectly, landing smooth. Everyone froze. Then, cheers! Muffin screamed, "A star is born!" Could victory shine this bright? As the final bow ended, Bluey's chest puffed with pride. Bingo whispered, "Best ballet ever." Bluey smiled, "And tomorrow, bigger, bolder, better." She turned to the audience, whispering, "If you laughed, danced, or twirled with us, hit like, subscribe, and join the next adventure." Every day is a new performance. Curtains fell. Giggles echoed. Could one dance feel this unforgettable?